Good morning, children. The chapter Our Festivals, we have come towards the end. Today we will discuss the topic Harvest Festival. In this chapter, we have already discussed the national festivals and the religious festivals. So let us little bit recapitulate about these two, and then today we will proceed with the Harvest Festival. National festivals, the festivals that are celebrated throughout the nation, is known as national festivals. They are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These three are the main national festivals of our country. Independence Day, the day on which our country became independent from the British rule. That is on 15th August and 1947. India became republic on 26 January 1950. Then onwards we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. And Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His birthday we celebrate as Gandhi Jayanti every year on 2nd October. So these days all school, offices, college, everything remains closed, and we celebrate and we offer our homage towards these great men and towards the brave soldiers and the freedom fighters. After that, religious festivals. The festivals that are celebrated according to the religions. That means our country is having different types of religions. So every religion is having their own festivals. So we celebrate them throughout the nation. Like Hindus celebrate Holi, Durga Puja, Muslims celebrate Eid, Christians celebrate Christmas, and Jainism, the Jains celebrate Mahavir Jayanti. Buddhism, that means they celebrate the Buddha. They are the birthday of Lord Buddha and many more. So the festivals are celebrated according to the religions. So we also take part actively in those festivals. That means every religions participate in others' festival also, because there is a brotherhood in our country and we enjoy every festivals with pomp and joy. Now, today we will discuss about the Harvest Festival. What do you mean by harvest? Harvest means to cut the crops and gather them. So, the Harvest Festival mainly related with the crops ripening up and cutting down. So, our country is an agricultural country. So maximum people in our country, they are dependent on agriculture, either directly or indirectly. So harvest, when it is ready to cut the crops, that time people celebrate as Harvest Festival. In different states, the festivals are given different names. So today we will read about this. These relates, or these harvest festivals marks the change of season also. These harvest festivals marks the change of seasons. Now the very first one we are going to read is Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. A special Bihu dance is organized every year and all the people participate in it. The Assamese dress themselves in their new clothes and they dance and enjoy this festival. Next, Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. That is mainly towards the south we are going now. It is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 3 days. That means Onam, this Pongal is celebrated for 3 days in Tamil Nadu, and on 3 various days 3 gods are worshipped. The very first day, on the first day, they worship rain god. So on the first day, rain god is worshipped. On the second day, the sun or sun god is worshipped. And on the third day, cattle are worshipped because they depend on cattle for cultivation. So they worship cattle also on the third day. A special rice, that is Pongal rice, is prepared on this day, and it marks the change of season from winter to summer. This festival marks the change of season from winter to summer. Next is your Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala, and they prepare dishes and they serve on banana leaves. That is their own culture, that they serve the food on banana leaves. Big banana leaves will be offered and they will offer the food. Snake boat race is the main attraction of this festival. Snake boat race takes place in this occasion and maximum people participate in it. And they decorate elephants brightly with different items, things, and procession takes place in the villages. So elephants processions takes place during Onam. Next one is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Mainly it is celebrated in North India. It is celebrated every year on 13th of April. And on 14th of April, Bengal celebrates the New Year. On 14th of April, they celebrate the New Year, and it is just after the Baisakhi. That means it is also the starting of Baisakh. It is mainly celebrated in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, and it is a Bengali New Year for the Bengal people. So I hope you have followed the harvest festivals. Next day we will continue with the festivals of northeastern states of our country. There are many northeastern, there are mainly 7 states in our northeastern sides. So we will discuss about the northeastern festivals in our next video. Thank you everyone.